As a professional contractor, the tools you use are vital. What's even more important? The knowledge, skills, and expertise of the people using them. Skilled technicians aren't just helpful, they're essential to a company's success. But here's the challenge. Training new employees takes time you often don't have, and sending team members onto the jobs without proper training and certifications, that can lead to costly oversights, ineffective work, and missed business opportunities. This is where RSA, Restoration Sciences Academy, becomes your trusted partner. We're more than just a training academy. We're the industry leader in equipping your team with the knowledge they need to fuel your business's success. RSA instructors train as many as 8,000 students each year, more than any other IICRC approved school. RSA offers hands-on training at flood houses located in Burlington, Washington, and Nashville, Tennessee. For more than 26 years, RSA hands-on class participants have learned the science and art of drying effectively, applying the latest technology to efficiently dry a variety of building materials, up to 50 different building materials in each house. We offer 30 comprehensive courses online and in person covering everything from water restoration and fire damage cleanup to microbial remediation and odor control techniques. And RSA's instructors are some of the best, with their extensive industry knowledge and real-world restoration experience. Certifications offered through RSA courses support your company's professional reputation. Most courses offer IICRC certification, guaranteeing your team is not only trained, but compliant with industry standards. We know that education is more than just a one-and-done matter. Your team needs ongoing resources to reinforce their training. Each attendee leaves our courses with direct contact information for our instructors to ensure support is readily available whenever needed in the field. And those attending in-person classes go home equipped with comprehensive reference guides for ongoing use. Education is an investment, not an expense. Just consider this. Maximize profits. Correctly setting up a drying system without missing crucial equipment saves thousands of dollars annually. Scaling operations. Extra certifications and expert training allow your team to handle larger, more complex contracts with confidence. When it comes to growing your business, don't just look outward for solutions. Build a team with the expertise you need to thrive. RSA's proven training solutions are your blueprint for success. Start building your company's and your team's future today.
Visit www.restorationsciencesacademy.com to explore courses and enroll now.